They are the best there is, 100%.
So in the small chance that it don't match, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 4 of this epic silver Tacoma rebuild that we got going on. Everything is going 100% amazing. In the last video, you saw us tackle this suspension and get that sucker all put in, everything done, and everything was just 100% on that. We got a good test fit on the radiator support, and in the last video we ran out of time getting it drilled out, but we went ahead and got this sucker drilled out. It's ready to go back on there. We're going to put some self-tappers in. We're going to kind of see how everything fits. We think we got it all squared up, but no way to know for sure until we get this front end built. But I'd like to get it on there, see what our gaps look like, and maybe get this sucker down from the frame machine. So that's enough talking. Let's start working. It is the next day here. We are absolutely 100% amped up to get this truck stuff painted. JP's up here. He says 100% we can match this.
100% match.
So he says he can do it, and you know what? He's been doing this stuff a long time, and I don't doubt him at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint the fender, we're going to paint the bumper, we're going to paint all our little miscellaneous pieces, and we're going to put them on this truck because JP says it's going to match.
Because we are the best there is, 100%. Orange wires.
So in the small chance that it don't match, we just blend the hood and blend on the door. But right now, we're gonna paint our silver parts. We're gonna get everything ready. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. Everything is going absolutely amazing. What we did so far is we sanded down all those parts. We sanded down the fender, the bumper, the little miscellaneous pieces that we've got. Some of it don't have primer, so we put a little Bulldog on there. Bulldog is an adhesion promoter, so it's going to help that bumper and help those plastic pieces just kind of help everything stick. So we put a little rock garden on the fender where it goes. We're going to flatten all that down. JP mixed up the paint. It's 100%. We're hoping it matches. We're hoping everything turns out 100% amazing. So we tacked everything down. We used some wax and grease remover. We're about ready to put some sealer on here, seal everything up, and get this sucker painted.
Hello guys, it's JP. Got the sealer all put on our parts in there. What the sealer does, especially with silvers and stuff like that, you cover up that black Eco primer with some good light colored sealer. Well, your silver goes on nice because our silver is 100% match here. We're gonna match it up. It's gonna be perfect. We spent 5 minutes out there with the light and the little cards. Them guys that make those cards are engineers. I mean, they spend hours and hours making those printout cards for us. Might as well use them. Silver's gonna look good.
Man, these parts turned out absolutely amazing. We couldn't be more excited about how the fender looks or how that bumper looks. It looks really, really good. We put 3 coats of base and 2 coats of clear, hoping that that's all the painting we got to do on this truck. We could possibly have to blend in the hood and maybe the door, but we're going to check all that out. So let's take these new parts and let them dry, and then we'll put them on the truck and we'll see how all that looks. Because I think maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, the color's gonna be a match. We won't have to blend it. So let's check it out and see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, we have been working like a bunch of cavemen on this truck. It's turning out absolutely amazing. We got that radiator support all temporaried up, and we just jumped in the paint booth and we painted our fender and we painted our bumper and we painted all this stuff. Then we come back out to have a look to see how it matched. I think JP did an amazing job. It's a little bit late in the evening, but it looks really, really close. Tell me what y'all think. Leave it in the comments. Should we blend the hood? Should we blend the door? Or should we just leave it the way it is because it looks really, really good? But I think what we're gonna do now is probably catch us up in the next video. We're gonna completely build this front end before we weld this radiator support in, because we gotta make sure that everything fits 100%. And I think we just run out of time for today's video, guys. But if you like this video, drop us a like, leave us a comment down below, let us know what you think. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Until next time, we're out.